Installing a controller module. If you have not already done so, close the air duct. Align the end of the controller module with the opening in the chassis and then gently push the controller module halfway into the system. Note: do not completely insert the controller module into the chassis until instructed to do so. Only connect cables to the management and console ports so that you can access the system to perform the tasks in the following sections. Plug the power cord into the power supply. Using the locking latches, firmly push the controller module into the chassis until the locking latches begin to rise. Fully seat the controller module in the chassis by rotating the locking latches upward, tilting them so that they clear the locking pins. The controller module begins to boot as soon as it is fully seated in the chassis. Be prepared to interrupt the boot process. Interrupt the normal boot process and boot to loader by pressing Ctrl and C. Note: if your system stops at the boot menu, select the option to boot to loader. At the loader prompt, enter buy to reinitialize the PCIe cards and other components. Interrupt the boot process and boot to the loader prompt by pressing Ctrl and C. If your system stops at the boot menu, select the option to boot to loader. After installing the controller module, complete the following actions. Set and verify the system time. Run diagnostics. Restore the controller module to operation after running diagnostics. Refer to the education course for the procedure.